Thank you very much for giving me the floor. It's not about the proposal, but I think about something very important. I would like to ask the Commission to make a statement on one particular project on the list, the connection of Malta to the European gas network pipeline interconnection with Italy at Gela. It's very important that islands such as Malta are also connected to the EU energy network, which they haven't been the privilege to have now. However, the Melita pipeline project is linked with the company Electrogas, which is involved in the corruption case against Jorgen French, who has been charged with conspiracy for murder of Maltese journalist Daphne Caruana Galizia. During the last 10E negotiations, the EPP negotiator Tom Berendsen and all the colleagues insisted that no funds, directly or indirectly, should go to criminals in accordance with Article 136 of the Financial Regulation. Criminals should be not rewarded with taxpayers' money. EU governments benefiting from a derogation like Malta have to make sure that criminals do not benefit from European funds. This is a legal safeguard which we will continue to defend politically as part of our rule of law campaign. Values are not for sale. Therefore, we would like to have guarantees from the Commission that no funds, EU funds, will go to criminals under the PCI list. I also want to take this opportunity to pay tribute to the assassinated investigative journalist Daphne Caruana Galizia and how important it is for justice to be done for the stories she exposed. Thank you.